ever been on a project where requirements keep changing, deadlines slip, and nothing seems to go as planned? It feels like trying to build a plane while flying it, but what if I told you there's a way to handle all that chaos while delivering value efficiently? That's where Agile Business Analysis comes in. Hey everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into Agile Business Analysis, what it is, why it matters, and how it's different from traditional business analysis. So stick around till the end. Let's get started. So, what exactly is Agile Business Analysis? Well, in simple terms, it's a process of identifying business needs, solving problems, and delivering value all within an agile framework. Unlike traditional business analysis, which follows a strict step-by-step approach, Agile is all about flexibility, collaboration, and continuous improvement. Instead of spending months gathering detailed requirements upfront, Agile focuses on small, frequent deliveries. Business analysts play a key role in adapting to change, whether it's shifting market trends, customer needs, or internal priorities. Now, how is Agile Business Analysis different from traditional business analysis? Let's break it down. During documentation, in traditional methods, business analysts or BAs create long detailed documents before development even starts. In Agile, we focus on lightweight tools like user stories, backlogs, and acceptance criteria that evolve over time. Now, role flexibility, traditional BAs are mainly involved in the early project stages. Agile BAs, on the other hand, are hands-on throughout the project, collaborating in every sprint. Next, delivery approach. Waterfall way in traditional system delivers the entire product at once, which means long waiting times. Agile delivers in small, iterative sprints, allowing teams to collect feedback and improve along the way. So, while traditional business analysis is rigid and document-heavy, Agile is adaptive, fast-paced, and customer-driven. Now, let's talk about what an Agile Business Analyst or BAs actually does. Here are some of the key responsibilities. Facilitating communication. Agile BAs bridge the gap between stakeholders and development teams, making sure everyone stays aligned. Next, in managing the product backlog, they help prioritize, refine, and update backlog items to ensure teams focus on high-value work. Next, in defining user stories, instead of rigid requirements, BAs write user stories that explain what needs to be done, while leaving room for the team to decide how to do it. Next is upporting sprints. Agile BAs participate in sprint planning, stand-ups, and reviews, ensuring continuous improvement. Last one is embracing change. Agile is all about iteration. BAs must be ready to adapt quickly based on customer feedback and shifting business needs. So, in an agile environment, business analysts don't just write documents, they actively shape the product throughout its life cycle. Now, having the right tools can make Agile Business Analysis even more effective. Here are some commonly used ones. First is user stories and backlog management. Tools like Jira and Trello help track work and manage priorities efficiently. Next is personas and journey mapping. These help BAs understand customer needs, pain points, and behaviors, ensuring the product is truly user-centric. Then it's workshops and brainstorming. Agile thrives on collaboration, so brainstorming sessions help gather insights and align teams. Next, wireframes and mock-ups. Instead of long requirement documents, simple wireframes and mock-ups give teams a visual guide without locking down too many details too soon. These tools help Agile BAs stay organized, adapt quickly, and drive real impact. Now let's see Agile Business Analysis in action with a real-world example. Imagine you're working on an e-commerce website. Instead of planning everything up front, the team starts by focusing on a single key feature. Let's say it's the product search function. The BA works with stakeholders to create this user story. Now, as a customer, I want to search for products using filters so I can quickly find what I need. Now the team develops this feature in a sprint and releases it to a small group of users. They collect feedback and the BA updates the backlog based on user suggestions. This iterative process continues, ensuring that every feature built is aligned with real customer needs, reducing risk, improving efficiency, and boosting customer satisfaction. And that's Agile Business Analysis in a nutshell. Unlike traditional BAs, Agile BAs don't just gather requirements and step back. They're actively involved throughout the entire project, ensuring continuous improvement and alignment with customer needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious and keep learning.